Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all fine. I'm your host Umar Ahmed. Today we are going to learn about peer-to-peer connection using Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's start our video. So before we start to develop a network connection, I want to give you a little introduction about peer-to-peer network. A peer-to-peer network is created when two or more PCs are connected and share resources without going to a separate server computer. So basically, the peer-to-peer network do not require a different server computer to connect multiple devices. If we want to connect two devices with each other, we only need a wire with them, which connect them with their Ethernet port. Let's try to connect two devices. So to develop a network, look on the left bottom of Cisco Packet Tracer here. Now we get everything here to build a network. So here is the network devices, PCs and wires here. So so to build a connection between two devices, we simply drag two PCs here. So we drag two pieces here. Now we connect them with this dotted line wire. So to connect wire with this PC, simply tap on this PC and on fast Ethernet. Now you can look, we connected a wire on this PC. Now same you can do the same procedure with this PC to connect a wire. Here you can look, we build a connection between these devices using this wire. Uh, these devices cannot uh, deliver a message to each other until we give them an IP address. For IP configuration, we simply tap on one of these um, PCs with a menu open, and here you can look a desktop. Simply click on this and go to the IP configuration, and here you can see we are using a static IP address for this PC. Now we give it an IP address which is 192.168.1.2. So press enter. Now you can look it give it automatically gave it a subnet marks. And so simply cross it, and now we do the same procedure with this PC. Now we go to the desktop IP configuration and give it an IP address 168.1.2. 1.1, sorry, 1.2. We have already given IP to another PC. So subnet marks mm, automatically given to it, and now cross it. So how can we check whether the connection is built between these two devices? Simply go to the one PC. Now you can see here a desktop. Um, Go to the command prompt of this PC and simply write ping and IP of the other PC, which we have given 168.1.1. So you can see we are receiving message and transferring message to the other PC. So we build a connection, a peer-to-peer connection between these two PCs. Now, if you want to connect multiple devices, like 10 to 20 devices with each other, so for that we are required switches or hubs to connect 10 to 20 devices. So for this, we create a new project. Um, we Here you can see a network devices in which you can see switches. So drag this switch here, and if you want to connect 10 pieces to this switch, so drag 10 pieces here like this. One, one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So to connect these PC to a switch, we need a solid copper wire, which is here you can find. So we connect uh, first PC with the switch. You can see here a lot of ports in a switch. Here 24 switch ports here. Yeah, that means we can connect 24 PCs in a single switch. So we connect this PC to a switch, and now you connect all other PC to a switch like this. So we have connected all the 10 PC to a switch. Now to develop a connection, we need to configure their IPs, all the PC. Like before, I like before, we only tap on this PC and go to the desktop and go to the IP configuration and give a static IP address to a specific PC. 8.1. Subnet marks automatically in given to this PC. So we give we do the same procedure with all these PC 168.1.2. So here it is. Now the third computer. So the IP is being given to all these PCs. So now we have to check whether the connection is being built between these computers or not. For this, we simply click on one of the PCs and go to its command prompt and simply write a command which is ping space IP of other computer, which is 192.168.1 dot, let's say, 8. And look, you can see the flag from other PC. And we are sending message to other PC. So the connection being built between these two computers. Now we also check other PCs are connected or not. So for that we can simply command ping one IP copy of other computer 192.168.1 dot let's say 3. Now let's look here. We are receiving message from other computer. So the connection peer to peer connection being built between these computers. So that's all for today video. Hope you like my tutorial of peer-to-peer networking. If you like my video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. um, Allah Hafiz everyone.